Alright, recording the sewer line here at 11639 First Northwest. Date's October 16th, 2020. Recording this from the clean out down here in the basement of the house. What we're looking at here is the Seattle City mainline sewer running up and down First Northwest there. I'm going to zero out our footage as we come back from here. And we're going to come back and get a look at this line. So, a little bit of root. We're in 6-inch diameter concrete pipe here. Here's our 4x6-inch sewer transition. I'm going to go locate this out in the front right now. Pause the video briefly. Okay, we've got that spot located. It looks like we got 30 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe. Alright, we're going to keep coming back. My zeroed out footage deal is not quite working, but we will get the rest of the locates and then come back and do the footage at the end. I'm going to go locate this spot as well.
Yeah, no, that piece of pipe down there, it was like
really small.
No, well, it's inside, it's small, but then it gets bigger. Out in the driveway, there's a little bit.
We didn't have it.
It was draining. That whole thing was. That whole thing was a mess. I tried to communicate to him that I wanted to have that gravity, have it tied in to gravity, and he decided that it needed a sump pump and put a sump pump in.
Oh, we all decided, and it was a whole conversation. He was pretty. He just said you're kind of begging for it. But I don't think we had enough gravity, which is why he suggested it. He didn't want to put it in. He wasn't.
Okay.
I mean, that was kind
the
of.
best bet.
Yeah, I think at the time it made the most sense with the information we had.
Yeah.
Kind of a
Yeah, there was a lot that we didn't know.
I think we were just kind of could tell it.
Yeah, at the tail end of making decisions.
back now into the cast iron. And up out of the sewer clean out there. So I'm going to end the recording there. I'm going to go back and now get my footages. But that's it for recording.